In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Taobao app with Alipay. First, open your browser and head to the official Taobao login page at login.taobao.com. Sign in using whichever method you prefer, password, SMS code, or the QR code option. Use the one that's most convenient and secure for you. If you're on the app instead of a browser, the flow looks very similar once you're signed in, so you can follow along. Once you're logged in, move to your account settings, hover your mouse over your profile or account area, which you'll usually find at the top left or top right of the page. From the menu, click Account Management or Account and Security. Depending on your language settings, you might see the Chinese labels, but the icons and layout are consistent. This section is where Taobao lets you manage connected services and security options. Next, look for the area related to Alipay. You should see Bind Alipay or Alipay Account Management. Click into that. This is the dedicated space for linking your Taobao account with your Alipay so you can check out faster and keep your payments in one place. Now you'll be asked to enter the phone number tied to your Alipay. Choose your country code from the list, then type your number exactly as Alipay has it, usually without the leading 0. Getting this correct is important because the verification code will be sent to that registered number. Before moving on, you'll be prompted to complete a quick slider verification. Drag the puzzle piece or bar to confirm you're a real person. It's a simple security step to protect your account. Alipay will then send a 6-digit verification code to your phone. Check your messages and enter the code in the field on the Taobao page. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and make sure you have a stable signal, then try again. After the code is accepted, a pop-up will ask you to authorize the connection between Taobao and Alipay. Review the prompt and click Agree, Confirm, or Authorize to proceed. This permission lets Taobao securely use Alipay for your payments. Once approved, you'll see a confirmation showing that Alipay is bound to your Taobao account. From now on, you can enjoy faster payments, smoother checkout, and in many cases, automatic sign-in during payment. That's it. You've successfully linked your Taobao account with Alipay. If you ever need to review or manage the connection, return to Account Management or Account and Security and look for the Alipay section. Thanks for watching and enjoy the streamlined checkout experience.